Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Once again, I'm not wearing any makeup because today I'm going to be tinting my brows. As you guys might have seen in my last video, I mentioned kind of wanting to tint my brows when I tried the lash extensions, which as you can see, don't have them on right now. I am going to put them back on, maybe even tonight, but that's besides the point. Today we're talking brows. My brows are practically non-existent, so I am wondering how this is gonna go. But if you guys want to see me possibly fail at tinting my brows, then just keep watching this video. For professional use only, that's not me. I'm eating chocolate, so I'm sorry if there's chocolate in my teeth. Ignore it. 3 easy steps. Mix, apply, shake. Read instructions thoroughly, perform an allergy test. Absolutely did that. Have a timer handy. Mixing ratios is 4 parts developer. Okay, this is the cute little developer. 4 parts that with 1 part colorant, which is this really interesting powder. It's a tint powder, so that's pretty cool. Remove any color residue from the skin immediately after processing. Cleanse brows before tinting. Never apply to eyelashes. Okay, so I do need to clean my brows real quick. So I need to like wash my face. And then it also comes with this little mixing little pot and this tiny little scoop. Oh, I'm obsessed with a tiny little scoop. My face is washed, and I don't know if you guys can actually tell, but I did like shape and pluck my brows before this because like I have a lot of like hairs just kind of growing off to the side here. So went ahead and did that. And now I think we're ready. I need to do a before picture. I'm nervous. I have places to be tomorrow, so. So I know I'm not gonna need a lot because like look at my eyebrow. So cute. I'm obsessed with the little like mixing tools. I'm gonna take like the tiniest amount of powder. Oh my god. It's already too much. I guess probably a scoop. This looks like I'm doing something bad. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. And then you just like put this back in here. This has 12 applications and it says it lasts up to 2 weeks. So I'm definitely gonna, test that out. This one's not like the lash extensions. I don't think I can just take it off whenever. So like once it's on there, it's on there. Oh, I forgot to say, I got mine a light brown. That was the lightest one. Okay, so if this is 1 part, then this is clear. I feel like that's good. I feel like that's okay. Make science happen. It really does look like hair dye though. Looks a little bit like snot. Okay, so I assume we probably need to mix this up really good to where there's no more powder blobs, which is proving to be difficult, actually. Wait, what? Okay, it says 4 parts developer to 1 part colorant. Okay, yes. But then it says, squeeze a pea-sized amount of the conditioning developer into plastic mixing tray, place 2 to 3 scoops of tint into the developer, and use the spatula to thoroughly mix the tint until it is smooth and creamy consistency. So I'm gonna have to dump this out because this is nowhere near right. This is the complete opposite because it said 4 parts developer to 1. How is that a thing? Read instructions thoroughly. Okay, so a pea-sized amount, 2 to 3 freaking scoops, which is so much more than what it said. I just got a whole scoop. Okay, we're just gonna do 2 because whatever. Apply the mixture generously to 1 brow at a time using the small brush provided for precise application. Be sure to apply the mixture in the shape of your desired brow. Clean up around the edges to avoid accidental staining of the skin. And it says set a timer for 10 minutes. After the application is completed, once the processing time is complete, remove the color from the brow area with a damp towel. Allow eyebrows to dry thoroughly to see color result. If slightly darker color is needed, apply it. Wait, it says reapply brow tint and process for another 3 to 5 minutes. This is already like dark. Okay, I'm gonna need a mirror. I'm gonna need to be real up close and personal with a mirror. It says 1 brow at a time. Like, I guess it's only 10 minutes, so I'll do that. I'm gonna turn towards the light, so I'm sorry. I mean, it's getting just like stuck in the spoolie. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like the spoolie applicator because a bunch of clumps are just stuck in it. This is way harder than I thought it was gonna be. I will be right back. This brush literally has concealer on it, but I don't know, guys. I think this is gonna be so patchy because it's applied so patchily. I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes and we'll see what happens. It looks like a gross scab, like an infection. Okay, it's time to remove. This is remove with a damp cloth, so. Oh man, I might have to do the reapplying. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's darker, but you want it to be a little darker than that. Okay, we're gonna reapply. I'm gonna do a second one. I do like this. It is better. It is better. Just not quite what I want. Also, I'd like to point out this is way easier with like a brush, just like a little thin brush. I was in a hurry and I didn't find a eyebrow brush, so like hopefully this doesn't ruin this brush because this is a Laura Lee Los Angeles brush and I don't want it ruined. I'm gonna let that sit for 5 minutes and we'll take it off and see how we feel about it. That looks weird. Let's take it off, see what we got. I don't think it's too bad. I guess I could have gone with a darker color. I don't know. I feel like maybe I could like run some gel through this and be cool with it being my brows. But it's still, I don't know. Maybe I like it. We'll see. We'll see when it's both. We'll see how I feel. So obviously I already know I'm gonna probably have to do this again. I did it again on the other one. Hopefully it's not chunky and weird. No, it's coming out really even, considering like I have yet to apply it evenly. Now we go second round, even though honestly, these don't look that different. Like, I don't think the second round really did much of anything, but we'll try it again. It's hard because like I don't have a lot of eyebrow hair in this little front section. So there's not a lot of hair for it to stick to, but I was hoping that this dye would really like emphasize the hairs that are in the front because they're basically non-existent. I mean, it's definitely better. Like, my brows are darker and they look good like with my hair color. I do kind of wish I would have picked a slightly darker shade just because like, you know, my brows are going from nothing. So like, I don't know, I may try this again in the future with maybe a darker shade, or maybe I'll really like this one and I'll just find a good brow gel. This does make me want to try some more colored brow gels. I don't currently have, I think I have one by Emmatation Beauty. I know NYX makes the brow glue in like a color, and I might actually try that now and see how I feel. Just like run some gel through them, since at least they are like darker than they were. But I'm gonna moisturize, and then I'll show you guys in my film lighting. Okay, here are my brows in like my film lighting. I actually really like them. I think they turned out really good. I feel like I'd be okay with them being a little bit darker, but I did go with light brown, and I do feel like it is a good match. I just feel like, I don't know, I think I was expecting a little bit more of a dramatic change because my brows are so light. And it is a pretty dramatic difference, but it worked. And it looks really natural, and it looks really good. And it says this has 12 applications, which I think it has way more than 12, depending on how like big and bushy your brows are. Covers grays, lasts 2 weeks, safe and easy to use. I'll update the comments or the description in 2 weeks from today to tell you guys like how I think they lasted. But I think for now that's about all I have to say. I did want to mention these were really, really cheap. I think it was like $10 for this whole kit. I got off Amazon. I'll link it down below. If you do use that link, I can earn a small commission because I'm an Amazon affiliate. But if you stayed to the end of this video and you like my videos, then I want to have a little chat. As some of you may know, I recently started a new job. I just finished off my 4th week there. And unlike my previous job, it is more of a career type job. And of course I always wanted YouTube to be my job, but I have been doing this for I think over 6 years now. I'm not stopping, but I am considering slowing down and just filming when I actually have an idea instead of trying to scramble to come up with an idea. I'm thinking about maybe doing more shorts, maybe like putting more effort into shorts, and just posting long form content when I have an actual video to post. I'm not sure yet. I mean, the job is still very new, so like it's possible I just haven't found my groove yet with balancing the two. I don't know, there's something about this job. I really like it. I'm really happy there. It doesn't make me like not want to do YouTube, but I don't know how to describe it. But either way, so I just wanted to explain, if you start seeing less videos from me, that's probably why. I might be slowing down a little bit. And to be honest, I also kind of feel like if I start slowing down, my channel will probably start taking off. I'm a little bit convinced if I give up, it might actually happen, but we'll see. I should make a I'm quitting YouTube video. People will be like, who is this? Is she even on YouTube? Okay guys, I think that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you watched to the end for my little announcement and / talk, then thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye!